What's up, baby shower hosts? It's Ike Paz from PrintMyBabyShower.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican printable game, okay, for your baby shower, okay, Mexican theme. So, just in case, if you don't have the time or you find my tutorial a little bit difficult, then please click the link below or check out my YouTube cards where you can get these 12 printable Mexican themed baby shower games, okay, with banners. But for right now, I want to show you how to do this, okay, how to make some on your own. What you want to do is create an account with Canva, C-A-N-V-A, okay, and then you're going to want to click US letter size, okay, US letter size, really important, because that's the standard. If you live in the US letter size. If you live anywhere else internationally, anywhere else around the world, it's A4, okay? So let's say you live in the US and it's US letter size. Cool. Then you want to go to Pixabay. Pixabay is a place where you can get free public domain images. You can use these images. One second, baby doll. You can use these images to create your own printables, sell them, whatever you want, even for commercial use, okay? Pixabay. Okay, then you want to put in all the images you want to use for your printable, okay? So in my example here, you can see some rainbow colored Mexican themed background and a piñata, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a different one. So I already found this image, right? It's like a tapestry of different colors and very cool looking floral arrangement. And instead of a piñata this time, I'm going with an Olmec temple, okay? And I downloaded these. Just download it. Everything is free, yeah. Once you download all that, you're gonna want to go to Uploads and click Upload Your Images. Let's go to Downloads, and it should be here. Let me see where I can find it. This is this one here, the multicolor one I downloaded from Pixabay, and this temple thing, this Olmec temple, excuse me. Upload this. Once I upload it, it's going to take a little bit of time. Once I upload it, I want to use this as my background, right? So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to make it vertical like that, align it vertically, and I'm going to spread her out. Spread it out like that. Okay. Now I have my background. I want to create the inside of my printable. I'm going to go to Elements, click Shapes, and click this little square here, like that. And I'm going to bring this out to create the inside of my printable, Mexican printable baby shower game. I'll do this for bridals, for whatever, birthdays, baptismals. Okay, now I'm going to color that white just by clicking this little button here, and you can choose the color you want. Now I'm going to go back to my uploads and drop in my my Mexican Olmec temple. But as you can see, there's all kinds of stuff here, so I'm going to crop this. And I'm just going to choose the temple here. Maybe I can bring that up a bit. Very good. Actually, I want to keep this and click check. Now I'm gonna bring it down just a notch, and I'm gonna shrink it down Now I have this little ornament here. I can also put this towards the top. It's up to you. Now you want to fill it in with your game. So let's say you want to create maybe not a game, but let's say it could be a game, it could be anything you want. It's a printable, right? So I'm gonna click add text, and I'm gonna write down, for example, wishes for baby. Okay, wishes for baby. Drag it to the top. And now I'm going to change the font to, I think I'm gonna go with this, wishes for baby. It's a nice powerful font, wishes for baby. Then you might want to change the color. I think I'm gonna go with a purple, maybe darker purple. Click the button again and slide it to a darker purple, maybe a little bit lighter. Cool. Like the wishes for baby. Now in this free section, you're gonna want to write down different wishes that you want your guests to bestow upon your child, your soon to be born child. So I'm gonna add some more text here, and let's write, for example, I wish you grow up to I wish you grew up to yeah. And I'm going to shrink that a little bit to, let's say, 28. Drag that to the top, and maybe change the font to, that's right, and change the font to Armanath. Let's see, perfect, Armanath. And then, oh, 1 second. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to align this left just by clicking that button there. Copy this and repeat. Maybe one more wish. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. And maybe expand to, you can do whatever you want basically, as you can see here. Just like that. And then that's it. I'm gonna expand this out. And now you have your printable. Again, let your creativity guide you, whatever you'd like. Also, if you don't want to create your own printables and want some beautiful printables for your Mexican themed baby shower, by all means, you can get my printable set. I have for you 12 printable baby shower games, banners, and bonuses. You can get my printable baby shower games at printtablebabyshower.com. And thank you very much. You have a great day. This is Ike Paz. Talk to you later. Bye bye.